Yes, sir. Hey, man, I'm trying to expand my channel, bro. So tomorrow, I got something for the car, man. I forgot what I ordered, but I got something for the car. I'm gonna do a little tutorial for y'all, man. So like I said, I'm trying to expand. You know, I don't know if I should make a separate because, you know, this is a reaction page. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying? But if I do need, let me know in the comments and tell me if I need to make a separate channel for, you know, little tutorials, vlogs. I'm just trying to see what y'all like, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? What y'all gravitate to, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? This is for the car tomorrow, and I will be doing a little tutorial. Shit, it's my first time doing it. I ain't never did nothing like this to a car. Yo, Ace, say what's up, man. Say what's up, man. Alright, man. Let's see y'all. Oh, YouTube, man. What's good with y'all, man? As y'all can see, throwing some tint on my charger. Excuse how dirty it is, bro. I ain't cleaned it because I live in Texas. We in West Texas too, so it gets dusty out here. But man, it's my first time doing the DIY. And I don't know about to see how this goes, yo. I could mess it up, but this company I bought this from, they did give me like extras just in case I do mess up. Take that off. I already sprayed it, so it's already sprayed. And I saw this on YouTube, so all they did was just throw this on here, and it was just that simple. Just like that. Start from this side. Shit, maybe I do need some water for that film. Oh, no. See? And we keeping it raw and uncut too now. You feel me? Beef? What's the beef, bro? It's still bumping?
It's gone.
Damn beef, man.
Ooh.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
Went on easier than that one. Yep. Let me jinx myself. Hey, what's that bee on my shoulder? What y'all think, man? Still got little bubbles in there, but I think the sun will take them bubbles out. But what y'all think? I'm gonna come back with the other side. Y'all let me know.
A few moments later.
Alright. Man, it was honestly that shit was simple. You know what I'm saying? This side was my first side. I did that side quicker, obviously. This is my first time putting it on. Simple. I got it off of Amazon for like $24. Still got some bubbles on that side. That side right there is flush. Excuse my car for being dirty, man. It's all dusty. But now we're about to get into the side markers. I'm about to tint those too. I got the pre-cut tint for the side markers.
What's up, y'all? It's Jack Boy Reacts. We back here with another banger. Right now, I'm finna show you how I get my car ready, how to put some tint on it. All right, let's get it.
Look good, honestly. How it look?
I think it looks good.
Let me see. Got the markers on. Bag on. Go to the other side. Now this is my first time doing this. So I knew my job ain't all the way. You know, it's not all the way there. But this was a cheap. This was a cheap mod from Amazon. So I mean, I got another one coming for this part. Oh, she ain't showing y'all. I'm tripping. I got another one coming for this part, the red outline. That should be here in like a week or two. But man, y'all like this and y'all want to see more like this, because I do got another mod on the way for the interior. Y'all like this shit, man? Y'all let me know in the comments, or you know, just give me a thumbs up and I'm out. Peace.